Building a $10,000 per month affiliate marketing business is an achievable goal for those committed to the process. Affiliate marketing allows you to earn passive income by promoting products or services and earning commissions on each sale. The first step to making $10K per month is selecting the right affiliate programs that offer high commissions and recurring revenue. Focus on programs offering high commissions and products that are in demand. By choosing wisely, you'll earn more with fewer sales. Your affiliate marketing success depends on choosing the right niche, targeting a specific audience that is engaged. Select a niche you're passionate about, ensuring you connect with your audience through engaging content. Create high-quality content that attracts visitors and converts them into buyers, like product reviews and tutorials. The more valuable your content, the more likely your audience will click your affiliate links. Use SEO to drive organic traffic by researching high-traffic keywords and optimizing your content. Quality backlinks and on-page SEO are essential for improving rankings and attracting visitors. Paid ads can help scale your affiliate business quickly. Use platforms like Facebook and Google Ads effectively. Leverage email marketing to build trust, nurture leads, and increase conversions with automated sequences. Regular newsletters can further promote affiliate products and keep your audience engaged. Track your performance and optimize efforts through A/B testing and conversions monitoring. With dedication and the right strategies, you can achieve your $10 a month goal in affiliate marketing.